channel. Welcome to my channel. Alright, so I forgot to film an intro and outro, of course, because I'm a professional. It is 5 minutes to 10 p.m. right now. My makeup's worn off. My eyebrows kind of look good. So I ate a bunch of chips with salsa, and how I eat is I just grab a bunch of food with my hand and just, I just shove it into my mouth and like, I eat like that, just rapidly. So I got salsa and chips basically all over my face. It burns actually from all that salsa. I got black on my nose. Why didn't you tell me? You're not a friend at all. Sorry, I'm looking at the viewfinder. I mean, you would too. Nope, that's not going in. I do like my eyebrows right now though. Okay, sorry. I just talked for 3 minutes long. None of it made sense. Get to the point, Sarah. What was the point? Obviously, I've eaten, it's worn off, but it was a 20-minute, it's like a 5-minute look, 5 to 10 minute look if I'm honest, you know, maybe 20. Just kidding. How am I gonna do YouTube if I can't lie? Alright, it was 20 minutes. Okay, an hour. No, it really... Yo, Boston, ooh, Boston Red Sox, ooh. I got this for Steve, and I like it, so I might steal it. No, I'm not gonna steal it, but I'm gonna wear it once, buddy. Anyways, I just wanted to say welcome to the video, and it's been 5 minutes and I've said none of that. Welcome to my channel, welcome to my video. I'm gonna do a quick look. It is this look. I sound irritated again. Am I irritated? I'm irritated at myself, not at you, son. How can I say that? Sorry, I'm so professional and my videos are so dope. Let me throw my glasses off. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Good stuff, Sarah. I'm gonna set my face one more time, and then I'm done. I shouldn't have opened my eyes before I said that sentence. So I'm done, I'm gonna go. I'll show you the look in the car because I got to go. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll have lots more coming on my channel. Thank you for watching. And I'll see you later. Just kidding, that was bad, sorry.